I got into broadcasting because, basically I like to run my mouth. And I've been into music. I've been playing this thing for the past 36 years. And I just love music. I love to talk. So I figured the best thing I could do is go on the radio. Because I don't think my face is pretty enough for TV anyway. If I'm not doing homework, I just sit and chill like I'm doing now, read a book or play the guitar between classes. But most of the time I have too much homework to do that, so pretty much stuck doing homework most